guys, so in today's video I wanted to touch on the whole natural hair thing, especially with black men. This has come up in debate on social media a lot recently, and I wanted to talk about it, especially from a black woman standpoint that actually wears her natural hair, whether that be curly, straight, in braids like this. I wear my natural hair and I can speak on my experience as a black woman wearing her natural hair. One thing I will say, especially between black women and black men, it seems like it's a trend for black men to say, oh, I love me a natural woman. While that is great, if it's not done genuinely, meaning like you are just saying that you love a natural woman and not bringing up other types of women in the same breath, then it's disrespectful. You can try to appreciate one set of women while trying to degrade another, because whether you like it or not, there are men out there that like women that are not natural. They don't have a problem with their woman getting a sewing. They'll definitely pay for it, and they have no problem like paying for the upkeep of their woman. So to uplift one group and then to talk down to another is not the way that natural women want to get a compliment. That is the first thing. When they say they want a natural woman, they actually is just saying it because it sounds good to say, or they're just saying it because that's what other men say and they're trying to follow the crowd, or they're just saying it to patronize or to get black women to like them. So please understand that in today's society, when you say you like a natural woman, there's certain things that a natural woman is going to look for. Our natural hair, the way it naturally grows out of our scalp and how we wear it in a fro with no product, uncombed, stuff like that. If you don't like our hair like that, the way it's naturally coming out of our scalp, then you don't like natural hair, okay? If your requirement to like natural hair is that it has to be put up in a ponytail, it has to be gelled down and slicked back, it has to be super defined, okay? It has to be curly and coily. You don't like natural hair. You like a specific type of natural hair that is not predominantly black women's natural hair. What you like is 3B, 3C curl pattern, and that is not what majority of black women that I have experienced, black woman that's not mixed with nothing, okay, have. We have 4 here. We have anything from 4A, 4B, and 4C here. So our hair is not going to be curly and coily when we just wash it and just get out the shower. It takes product and it takes manipulation to get our hair to look a certain, have a little certain curl and pattern to it. So that's first thing. So if you like that type of hair, don't say you like natural hair, okay? Just say I like a specific type of natural hair. That correct.
When you say you like natural hair, meaning we take it as you like every type of natural hair. 3A, 3B curly hair, 4A, 4C kinky coily hair, or you like our hair in a fro, or you like it naturally the way how it grows out of our scalp with no product, no definition, no nothing. You like all different variation of natural hair. When you guys say you like natural hair and the only type of natural hair you say you like is curly hair, you really do not like natural hair. You only like one specific type of natural hair, and that's 3B, 3C. So be specific, because a lot of the arguments are being lost in translation within our community, which is bringing separation.
Trait come from black people being mixed, whether that be being mixed with black and white or Spanish or something. And I'm not saying that black women don't naturally possess that curl pattern, but in majority we do not possess that. We have afro kinky hair, okay? And that's the natural hair that you guys are not talking about when you say you guys like natural hair. If men say they like natural hair, is because they think that natural hair is low maintenance. They won't have to pay to get that woman's hair done because she wears her natural hair, and it is low maintenance. I don't have to invest in her appearance. I don't have to invest in her hair, when in truth and in fact that is BS. From me having my natural hair and also dealing with my daughter's natural hair, please know that the investment that goes into taking care of your natural hair is a lot. Okay, go into the store, try finding a shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner. Okay, you need an oil, okay, to seal in your moisture, and you need a refresher spray to refresh your curls or refresh your style, and see how much that is. That can run you up to $150, not to talk about the time and how it takes to take care of your hair, your wash day routine, and how the labor that goes into taking care of your hair. And if you're a working woman or you have a family, the last thing you want to worry about is spending majority of your time taking care of your hair, because you want to upkeep your appearance. Okay, so the whole notion that I like a natural woman because her hair is natural and it's low maintenance and I don't have to invest money into her natural hair is a BS. Take it from a natural woman that invests a lot of money into her natural hair and also into black owned hair care products that are by us, for us. It's a lot of money. It is a lot of coin. Okay, so if you think because we're not a body, okay, and we wear natural hair, that's gonna cost you less to invest in us and invest in our hair and our appearance, you're up for a rude awakening. And most men don't understand this until they're actually with a woman that wears her natural hair majority of the time, or they have a daughter with natural hair and they have to go into the store and find out a leave-in conditioner or a deep conditioner or something, and they figure out how costly the products are. And we go through this is in a love relationship or a relationship that's romantic, and they say, oh, I love me a natural woman, and then you go and you look at the woman that they previously date, and you can tell that the woman that they previously date did not wear their natural hair. They don't look nothing like you. Okay, that is a major red flag. If you're a say immediate red flag, it means that you were dating the baddies, okay, the ones that had their hair laid in fried dyed laid to the side with their 36-inch weave or their lace front, and you had to invest your money into that and you don't want to do it anymore, so you're trying to settle for a natural woman. Okay, and it's quite disrespectful, especially if you're trying to be romantically linked to a woman or try to be with a woman that is actually natural and has been natural for years. Do not settle. Okay, if you really do not like us, or you think it's going to be less and you're settling because we see more like it's less maintenance, please leave us alone. And we're going to draw an assumption that you don't really want us like that. You're just settling for us. Don't settle. Get your dream girl. Okay, get your dream girl. Don't settle for a natural woman because you don't want to pay baddie prices for the 36 bust down and the frontal. If you ask black women who you get the most compliments from when your natural hair is out, they will probably tell you that a Caucasian male will compliment their hair or compliment them in general when they have out their fro. If you ask majority of black women, and I'm talking about from personal experience, the black women that wear their natural hair that I've seen on social media, that I've seen in person, and from my personal experience, Caucasian male like our hair in a fro. Okay, whether that is because of a fetish, whether it's because it's different from theirs, whatever the case may be, we get the most compliments from Caucasian male. When we have our hair in a bust down, okay, 36-inch weave or a laid frontal that they can't tell is not our hair, we get compliments from black men. And that is a running joke with natural women in the community, that you guys really don't like us like that. Because when we have our hair out in a fro, you guys don't even see us. Y'all don't feature us, and y'all don't feature us in person or on social media. When you guys see us with our fur out, baby, you don't like our pictures, you don't like our videos, okay? We don't look good, okay? We are not featured on social media or in real life, so we tend to think that you guys don't like us. It's a running joke around black women that wear their black hair. Every single time a black man out his mouth says, I like a natural woman, a woman with natural hair, we just bust out laughing. And then we go do our research and figure out if you actually really like a black woman based on the things that I just said. So when you're saying on social media that you like or don't like natural hair, please keep in mind the women that are actually natural, we don't believe y'all. And the women that are actually natural, we actually go investigate to see if you actually really like women that are natural or not. So with that being said, baby, like, comment, share, subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.